Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Colab and confirming the essentials. You are signed in, runtime set to GPU or TPU, and required packages installed. Install libraries with pip and import them immediately so errors surface now rather than later. Once done, mount Google Drive or upload your dataset to guarantee stable storage. Make sure file paths are absolute and predictable. This rapid setup prevents interruptions and gets you to executing model code in minutes, not hours, so you can iterate quickly. You now load the model and data and focus on compatibility and efficiency. Load the pre-trained checkpoint and its tokenizer together so tokenization matches model expectations. This avoids silent token ID mismatches. Next, stream data in batches using data loader or TF. Data to minimize RAM spikes and process on the fly to scale. Make sure to manage GPU memory, clear caches, delete unused variables, and prefer half precision if supported. Doing these steps reduces out-of-memory errors. You run your experiment, monitor outputs, and save progress frequently so a crash doesn't cost hours. Log metrics to the console or a file, checkpoint models to drive, and export final artifacts. Make sure to record seeds and package versions for reproducibility. If something goes wrong, restart the runtime and rerun cells stepwise to isolate the fault, inspect tracebacks, and compare package versions. For persistent issues, clear the environment, reinstall conflicting packages, and retry. This approach gets you back on track fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.